How to remove phone number on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Now moving towards the video, open TikTok app. You open TikTok app, then go to the profile option that is located down below. As you go to the profile option, then click on the three lines that are located up above. As you go to them, then click on settings and privacy. As you click on settings and privacy, then go to manage account option. As you go to manage account option, it will take some time to load. Let it load for some time. Now as it is open, then there will be first option of phone number. Click on that, and now you will have two options of change your phone number or unlink your phone. You can unlink or remove your phone from TikTok over here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.